Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of home page on the application of Strava. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page we'll search about Strava app and we click here in this window. Then in this page of app info we click on first app and we click OK. After that we'll enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.